I'm going to show you the new Dunas Suites. We're going to give you an inside look at all of the amenities that these gorgeous new rooms have to offer. You walk in and you find the mini bar. This will come fully stocked for you every day, and you do have some choices if you have special requests. If you do get the privilege package, which we always tend to do, you do get liquor of your choice, mixers, and you get the little tumblers from the Valentin as well. Everything in these rooms is controlled by these touchscreen control panels, from your do not disturb, if you're ready for service in the room, your lighting. Another really cool upgrade that the Dunas Suites offers is this secret door. So the service folks can get it from the outside of the room without ever having to come into your room, and you don't have to leave it on the floor. So that's a really nice upgrade. You do have one extra space down here with some drawers. Storage. This is always my first question because I pack a lot. This is the amount of storage you're gonna get. So it's not a ton, but we made it work with 2 people. You got double vanity sinks here. The vibe of these rooms is much different than the other rooms if you have been here before. A much more modern touch. We have glass walls here with the whirlpool tub. Rainfall shower, really nice. You have your toilet over to the other side with privacy. So this is glass. You got the whirlpool tub here, but everything else is fairly private. Probably one of the coolest features of the Dunas rooms are the plunge pools. So I'm going to show you that first. So you walk in and this is your view. You have a private plunge pool that looks out to the ocean. Come out here with me and I'll show you how gorgeous this is. As far as the view, it's stunning. You are going to have full ocean view with very little like greenery and foliage in the way. So all of the other rooms at the Valentin, for the most part, are going to be looking at a lot of trees and beautiful views, but not exactly ocean view. So you are truly on the beach. You've got the ocean view here. You have loungers out front. Very serene, quiet, beautiful.